Good morning, dear students. Hope all are fine and safe at home, right? Are you enjoying the online lecture? Okay, I hope all are enjoying, right? I'm your science teacher, Deepa Nair. We have completed 8th chapter matter. This is 9th chapter, rocks and soil. We completed the learning objectives of this chapter, right? What are the important points? Some common rocks, right? Then how is soil formed? These are important portion. Contents of soil, kinds of soils, right? And we done the activity of, right? Take some soil. Okay, I showed you this activity, right? And what we proved? We proved in that activity the soil is made up of gravel, sand, clay and humus, right? Okay. We completed keywords also. Then looking back, what are the main points of this chapter? Okay. Let us start. Put a tick on the correct option, right? This is the first exercise of this chapter. Exercise A. Put a tick on the correct option. First one, rocks are made up of. Here 4 options are here, right? Gold, diamond, silver and minerals. इसमें कौन सा है आंसर? ऑप्शन डी मिनरल्स. ओके, रॉक्स कैसे बना हुआ है? मिनरल्स से. ओके, मिनरल्स क्या होते हैं? धातु, राइट? रॉक्स आर मेड अप ऑफ मिनरल्स. ऑप्शन डी. आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी. सेकेंड वन, huge blocks of granite are found in rash. Mud. Option A mud. Option B quarries. Option C river. Option D mountains. What is the answer? Huge blocks of granite are found in quarries. Option B quarries. QUARRIES quarries. Okay. Third one. Which of the following is not a type of soil? First option gravel, second sand, third clay, then granite. What is the answer? Option D granite. Okay, GRANITE, granite. Then which rock has porous structure? Porous structure क्या होते हैं? वो जो स्ट्रक्चर में उसमें एयर कंटेंट होते हैं, वाटर कंटेंट होते हैं. ऐसा रॉक्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? पोरस रॉक्स. तो इसमें कौन सी रॉक को पोरस स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं? प्यूमिस. ऑप्शन सी प्यूमिस. PUMIC. ऑप्शन सी प्यूमिस. ओके, लेट अस गो थ्रू वंस अगेन. फर्स्ट वन, rocks are made up of dash. Rocks are made up of minerals. MINERALS. Option D minerals. First answer. Okay. Second one, huge blocks of granite are found in quarries. Option B quarries. 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 Okay. Third one, which of the following is not a type of soil? Answer option D granite. Which rock has porous structure? Option C pumice. Okay, PUMIC, pumice. Okay, these are the 4 questions of put a tick on the correct option. Okay, you have to write down 2 times in your notebook. Okay, this exercise. Next, we will go through filling the blanks. Option B, filling the blanks. Okay. The outside layer of the earth is called the dash. The outside layer of the earth is called the crust. CRUST, crust. Okay. अर्थ का आउटसाइड लेयर को क्या बोलते हैं? क्रस्ट बोलते हैं. CRUST. Second one, fertility of the soil depends upon the amount of dash it contains. Fertility of the soil depends upon the amount of dash it contains. What is the answer? Humus. 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 Okay. सोइल का फर्टिलिटी कैसे डिपेंड होते हैं? अमाउंट ऑफ ह्यूमस, उसमें कितना ह्यूमस कंटेंट है. ठीक है. थर्ड वन, सोइल कंटेन्स वाटर एंड एयर AIR कॉमा रॉक्स कॉमा मिनरल्स कॉमा ह्यूमस. आंसर क्या है इसमें? थर्ड क्वेश्चन का सोइल कंटेन्स वाटर एंड एयर कॉमा rocks 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 comma then minerals 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 comma humus HUMUS humus. Okay, then fourth one, the dash in Delhi is made up of sandstone. The Red Fort in Delhi is made up of sandstone. The Red Fort कैसे बनाया है दिल्ली का? सैंडस्टोन से. Okay, then fifth one, sand has grains smaller than dash. Gravel. 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 Sand has grains smaller than gravel. Right? Sand क्या होते हैं? Gravel से छोटा होते हैं ना sand का grains. Okay? Let us go through once again. Filling the blanks exercise B. The outside layer of the earth is called the crust. CRUST. Right? Second one, fertility of the soil depends upon the amount of dash it contains. Humus. 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 Okay. Third one, soil contains water and dash. Soil contains water and air, comma rocks, comma minerals, comma humus. Fourth one, the Red Fort in Delhi is made up of sandstone. Answer, Red Fort. R should be capital letter and F should be capital letter. Okay. Fifth one, sand has grains smaller than gravel. Okay. GRAVEL. ग्रावल से छोटा ग्रेन्स होते हैं सैंड को. ओके. मिट्टी. ओके. ग्रावल से छोटा होते हैं उसका ग्रेन्स. Hope all are understood, right? You have to write down 2 times this exercise A and B. Okay, 2 times in your notebook. Okay, this is the homework for today's class. Okay, exercise first A, put a tick on the correct option, and second one, filling the blanks. Okay, these 2 exercises you have to write down in your notebook 2 times. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. Okay. You have to do more reading practices. Right? And learn all spellings of this chapter. Okay. I hope all understood what I learned today. Right? I am signing out. Have a great day. Bye. Take care.
Our topic for today is Soil formation. Soil is formed by the combination of physical, chemical and biological processes in which huge rocks are broken down into smaller particles over a long period of time. Rocks undergo a process of expansion and contraction in which they expand during the day and contract during the night due to the constant rise and fall in temperature. However, not all parts of a rock undergo expansion and contraction at the same rate, resulting in the formation of cracks. Gradually, these cracks cause the rocks to break down into smaller pieces. With time, these smaller pieces convert into particles and form soil. Water plays an important role in soil formation. Water that gets collected in the cracks of rocks sometimes freezes, which helps in widening the cracks. Also, flowing river water helps in the wearing down of rocks over time, which results in the formation of soil. Strong blowing winds also rub against rocks and help in wearing them down. Lastly, some living organisms like lichens that grow on rock surfaces release certain substances that cause rock surfaces to powder down and form a thin layer of soil.